Good evening. You probably don't recognize me, but I want to talk to you this evening. If you've been watching this so-called television program for any length of time, you would know that Craig Ferguson used to talk about cheeky monkeys all the time. I am, in fact, a cheeky monkey. We, cheeky-monkeyed Americans, would like to object to this objectification of us. Yes, that's right, I said object to objectification. You know, problem with that? Call me, bitch. Anyway, here's the deal. He hasn't said cheeky monkeys in a while, and I, for one, think the show isn't the better for it. So tonight, I would like to say, good evening, cheeky monkeys. But wait, just so as you understand, I'm only talking to the actual cheeky monkeys, not lonely old ladies with cats. What, it's just a joke? I was just joking. Anyway, I gotta go, because, you know, Fatty will be here in a minute. But Jason Segel is on the show tonight, which will be awesome. And, yeah, Dr. Dog is here, and Steve Hofstetter is here. We'll be right back.